All right, welcome back to the DM and Friends. I am DM Angelo, and today, in my continuing my series on how to be a better dungeon master, I want to talk about something that I think that a lot of DMs don't understand fully, and that is campaign play versus one-shot play, because these things are not the same game. And if you try to run one like the other, something breaks usually. So I think here's the big mistake. The prep of a one shot. Some people prep it like it's a mini campaign, or they run a campaign like it's a series of disconnected one shots. Both approaches in my book fail, just kind of in different ways. You need to understand what each format is actually for, and well, one shot, what it is about immediacy. Think about it at a con, or when you're running something not long story arcs, not slow burns, or subtle foreshadowing. A one shot is a problem, a pressure cooker, and a conclusion, and everything is happening like right now. And a one shot also, characters are already motivated, they're already there. A hook is not optional. The party is already together, so you don't have to spend 45 minutes meeting in a tavern and setting up the stage. You start in motion. Think of this tournaments and think of your 4 hour window. You're already in trouble. Something has already gone wrong. There's a problem that needs to be solved. You're already committed. So that's how one shots live. This is important too. Is in a one shot. Characters are expendable, and I've seen this in a lot of my one shot games. That doesn't mean disposable, expendable. It means that the characters are going to take risks, and they should. They're going to make bold choices. They're you don't protect the character for later. This is a kind of a one and done thing, because there is no later in a one shot. That freedom is that's the whole point of a one shot, and that's freedom for them. Pacing is also a big thing. So you cut aggressively. If a scene doesn't move the problem forward, it dies. So no side quests, no shopping episodes, no wandering, conversations, sometimes no wandering monsters. Every scene, earns its place. Boom, boom, boom. Campaign play. Now let's move into campaign play. So campaign plays obviously is the opposite of that. Campaign play is about momentum, consequence, and memory. The power of a campaign comes from what came before, in the previous session. A bad choice three sessions earlier still matters. An NPC you ignored might come back. A shortcut you took could create a problem for later. This works, and this works with time, which I've talked about so much. Campaign, and the other thing now is campaign characters are invested, and they grow, they scar with the campaign. They accumulate history. Death still is going to matter. It's not a casual thing. Risk is measured, and it should be measured. Retreat is smart. We talk about that a lot too. Is retreat is an option. In a lot of one shots, the group's not going to retreat, or maybe they will. But campaign play rewards caution and in planning. Yeah, the other thing too, campaigns need, they need some downtime. They need slow scenes. They need quiet moments. They need recovery. One shots don't. Yeah, it's go, 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 go. If you slow down too much in a one shot, it's going to die. If you rush everything in a campaign, that's going to feel bad too. That's going to feel pretty hollow, I think. Different rhythms, different expectations for the group and for the style of play. Um, one one shots, looking at my notes here, one shots are gonna, yeah, so one shots are gonna feel pretty intense because everything is immediate. Campaign's gonna feel intense because everything is connected. And that's where campaign play, I think, really is at its height. Is you're building a connection from one to another to another to another. So a one shot is, the question is kind of like, did we survive, right? So in a campaign, the question is going to be, what did it cost us? So remember that. Did we survive versus what did it cost us? And both are valid, and they're just going to, I think they're just going to hit differently. So this is another subtle point, but it's kind of different. One shots will teach players boldness, speed, risk taking, and campaigns are going to teach players caution, logistics, and consequence. Which, like I said, we talk about a lot. If your players only play one shots, they'll treat campaigns like arcade games, and um, if they only play campaigns, then they'll freeze in one shots. I've seen that in at cons where, man, one example is I was playing a game in Gary Con with Steve Winter and Eric and I, Eric Potter. We had a couple players that, the other half of the room, that didn't want to storm into this thing, and Steve, I could see him kind of biting his teeth, like, okay, what are you guys going to do? And we just kind of led the charge, and finally we got these guys to follow us. So that style play, and it was rewarding. We want to sit around for 4 hours and just kind of, how are we going to get in there? You don't want to do that. Not in a one shot. One shot, you need to move forward, and that's kind of the point for a one shot is you're given a problem and you solve it. It doesn't mean that you can't take 5 minutes to think about it, but if you take hours, then you better get ready for your next game. So one shots are great for teaching rules, testing new systems, introducing players, experimenting with tone. Campaigns are for deep investment, long arcs, telling a story, meaningful world reaction. Use the right tool for the job. So, kind of, don't apologize for either too. Some tables love one shots. Some players love one shots. Some live for long campaigns. You got to kind of gauge your players, like, what do they want? Neither is more real D&D. Like, this is not more real than the other. It's just different style of play. What matters is being clear. Tell your players what kind of game this is, and then run it honestly. Because they'll choose whether to stay or not, or to be there or not. And I've ran both types, and obviously at cons it's a one shot. Or there are rare occasions where one build on the next, and blah blah blah. But just be upfront with your players. Tonight is whatever. I think that'll go a long way. All right, you guys, my final thought, I just wanted to do a video on one shots versus campaign play, because I think that sometimes people get it a little confused and dive in or even DM differently. And you just got to have that mindset of, this is this and this is that. And, a one shot is a lightning strike, and campaign is like the weather. Think of it that way. Lightning strike, one shot, weather, campaign play. I like that. Both can be powerful, but only if you stop pretending they're the same thing. You got to acknowledge that they're different style of play. All right, that's for this one. I love it. I hope that's helped. I really do. And hit like, subscribe, share. That really helps the channel, and it helps me continuing on this and us growing together. I really love it. And what I would love to hear is in the comments below. I want to hear what you prefer, and I want to hear some of your stories about the differences and what your take is, because obviously my take is my take. I'd love to hear your take. And you guys, thank you so much for going on this journey with me. So awesome. Thank you so much. All right, you guys, game on. Bye-bye. Take care. Love you.